In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add an Instagram feed to your website using Webflow. Whether you're looking to enhance your site's visual appeal or engage visitors with dynamic social content, this easy-to-follow guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, let's start by creating your Instagram feed widget. Head over to a trusted third-party widget service. Some popular choices include Elfsight, Common Ninja, and Embed Social. These platforms are fantastic because they offer a variety of customizable templates to get you started. Once you've selected the Instagram feed widget, you'll want to create a new feed. Begin by connecting your Instagram account. You can do this by entering your account username or a specific hashtag you wish to feature. Now comes the fun part, customizing your feed. The widget editor allows you to experiment with different appearances and layouts. You can decide between a grid or slider format and choose which post settings to display, such as likes and comments. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, locate the option to Add to Website or Get Code, and copy the embed code generated for your beautifully crafted feed. Next, it's time to embed this code into your Webflow project. Open the project where you want your Instagram feed to come to life. In Webflow, navigate to the specific page where you'd like to showcase your feed. On the left-hand side, you'll find the Add panel from which you can select various elements. Drag the Embed element onto your design canvas. A pop-up window will appear. Here, in the HTML embed field, simply paste the code you copied earlier from the widget service. Be sure to click Save and Close to secure your changes. You might see a placeholder on your canvas right now, but rest assured, the actual feed will display once the page is published. Finally, let's make your work live by publishing your Webflow page. Navigate to the top right corner of the Webflow Designer interface and click the Publish button. With these few clicks, your newly integrated Instagram feed will be live on your website for all to see. And there you have it, a straightforward process to enhance your website with a vibrant Instagram feed using Webflow. It's a brilliant way to keep your website engaging while showcasing your latest Instagram content. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment or reach out. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.